Jai Sriman Mother, don't you remember that how much I crave for my Rama, how much I love my Rama? Don't you remember? Why did you do all this? Like this, Bharata, while crying, while entire of his body shaking, and started accusing and scolding his own mother. To that extent, he is going through the grief. He is saying that, Ho Kaikamma, Rama and Lakshmana, both of them are my Shakti. Now you sent that Shakti away from me. How are you expecting, and with what kind of Shakti you are expecting me to rule this kingdom? Keda Shakti Prabhavena. How are you expecting me to do this? Ho Kaikamma, even Dasaratha Maharaju also, ever since Rama is born, only he is under Rama Rakshana. He was not protecting Rama, but he was feeling that he is under Rakshana by Sri Ramachandra Swami. Even I noticed that our Maharaju also used to rule this kingdom because only the Shakti he is feeling that Rama is there with me. That is how he always used to feel that power and Shakti. That is how he ruled the kingdom. Ho Kaikamma, Adhava me bhavet Shaktihi yogaihi buddhihi balenava. Even if you think that just like Maharaju, what he has all kind of strongness and all kind of strength and all kind of great strategies and all kind of great dharana shakti, grahana shakti and ashtanga yoga buddhi. All these things Dasaratha Maharaju has. If you think that I also have the same thing and the same ability, even after I have that kind of ability, I am not going to rule this kingdom. Listen to me carefully, because I do not want your dream to come true. I do not want your wish to be fulfilled. That is why I am not going to rule this kingdom. Ho Kaikamma, if my Ramachandra Swami was not revering and was not respecting you just like his own mother Kausalya, you know what? I would have left you long back. I am still respecting you means because Rama respects you. If I don't do that, he would feel bad. That is only the reason I am respecting you. I am still considering you. Ho Kaikamma, you know this fact that in our dynasty, only the eldest son gets to be coronated to the kingdom. How did you even expect this to be happened in our dynasty? Natu kamam karishyami, Ho Kaikamma. At any cost, I am not going to let your wish come true. Take it and listen to me carefully right now. While you are looking at me, anyway, I realize that you have destroyed me completely. Now I am going to be doing this right now, while you are looking at me. I am going to go to forest. I am going to have my Sakala Kalyana Gunabhirama Sri Ramachandra Swami come back and again do the Pattabhishekam. I shall do the Pattabhishekam of this Ayodhya to my Sri Ramachandra Swami, and I will declare myself as his servant. Dasabhuto Bhavishyami. Forever, without having any second thought, I am going to be serving my Ramachandra Swami. I am going to be completely declare myself as servant to Sri Ramachandra Swami. Like this, Bharata is declaring with all of his emotions, and while he is completely shaking, and also he is accusing and scolding his own mother. Bharata, with so much of angry, He is now addressing Ho Kaikeyi to his mother, Ho Kaikeyi, Susthire Nantaratmana, without any of other desires, completely focused of my mind towards Sri Rama Seva. I will be doing my Rama Seva for my entire life. Like this, Bharata is saying so many things which his mother would not like. Sokaturaschapi nanada bhuyaha simho yadha parvata gahvarasthaha. As and how a lion, if lion comes out of such a big den, that is how this Bharata is moving entire of his body and shouting a lot to his mother Kaikeyi. And also saying that, Ho Kaikeyi, you did not leave the dharmam, but dharmam itself left you. It looks like you do not even deserve to cry for your own husband's death, but you should be crying entire life. For what? You have done all these bad things for me, right? While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. करिष्ये वचनं तव सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.